Hello everyone. Today we're going to walk through the Liven app. Liven is presented as a self-discovery and emotional well-being companion. It lets you track your moods, build simple routines, take bite-sized courses, and chat with an AI assistant named Livy. Right from onboarding, you answer questions about how you feel, what you struggle with, and what you want to improve, so the app can tailor suggestions. The AI companion Livy is one of the more unique parts. It offers chat-style interactions, prompts you to reflect, questions your thought patterns, and helps you dig into what's behind your emotions. Now let's talk benefits. One major plus is that the app is fairly accessible. The onboarding is smooth, and the tone is non-judgmental and friendly, which makes it easier if you've been avoiding wellness tools because they feel too clinical. The mood tracking helps you notice patterns you might otherwise miss. If you log regularly, you may realize, for example, that you always feel low after one certain task or time of day. On the flip side, there are downsides. One major complaint is that the content and personalization are limited. Some users report that the modules feel generic. The routines are one size fits all. And for the price, you might expect more tailored or deeper content. Also, the subscription cost and upselling practices raise eyebrows. To sum up, if you are someone who wants a gentle, approachable way to build self-awareness, log moods, set small habits, and have an AI companion to reflect with, Liven is worth trying. Thanks for watching.